In this video, you'll learn how to archive notes in Google Keep so you can keep your workspace clean without permanently deleting anything. Archiving is perfect for notes you don't need right now, but might want to come back to later. I'll walk you through the entire process, explain what archiving actually does, and share a few simple tips to keep your notes organized. First, open your web browser and go to keepgoogle.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that has the notes you want to work with. Once the page loads, you'll see your Google Keep dashboard, which is where all of your active notes are displayed. This might be a mix of reminders, lists, ideas, and anything else you've saved. Take a moment to scan through your notes and decide which one you want to archive. This might be something like a completed to-do list, notes from an old project, or information you don't use often but don't want to delete. Click on that note to open it. When you select the note, it will expand and you'll see a toolbar with several icons. Look toward the top of the note for the archive icon. This usually looks like a small box with a downward-facing arrow or a similar symbol, depending on your current interface design. Hover your mouse over it if you're unsure. You should see a small label that says Archive. When you've found the correct icon, go ahead and click it. As soon as you click the Archive icon, Google Keep will move that note out of your main dashboard. It won't be visible among your regular notes anymore, which helps reduce clutter and keeps your active space focused only on what you still need. Don't worry though, the note is not deleted. It's simply moved to a different section called Archive. To confirm that your note has been archived, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You should see an option labeled Archive. Click on this, and Google Keep will show you all the notes you've archived. The note you just archived should now appear in this list. You can scroll through to see everything you've stored away for later. If you ever decide that you want that note back in your main dashboard, just open it from the Archive section, then click the same Archive icon again. This will unarchive the note and return it to your main list of active notes. This back and forth flexibility makes archiving a safe way to tidy up without losing anything important. Using the archive feature regularly can help you manage a large collection of notes more efficiently. Whenever a note has served its purpose but might still be useful someday, archiving it is a smart choice. Over time, this simple habit keeps your Google Keep dashboard cleaner, easier to scan, and focused on what matters most right now. That's all you need to know to archive notes in Google Keep. Open keepgoogle.com, select the note you want to clean up, click the archive icon at the top, and remember you can always find it again in the archive section whenever you need it.